All right, guys, welcome back. This is Daryl from Trend Society. I wanted to go over real quickly just a real basic thing that I feel like a lot of traders miss, and that is the difference between support resistance and actual reversal zones. Okay, support resistance and reversal zones are looked upon a lot of times as the same thing. I a lot of times feel like it is not because a lot of times support resistance can be broken easily depending on the time frame of your chart, and actually um, a lot of support resistance can be false support resistance because you see multiple wicks in a lot of areas, but reversal zones are areas where market likes to come and touch multiple times before going in a direction that it actually wants to go into. So I'm looking at actually at UJ on the daily. Just point out this. So this right here is a support resistance line. You don't really see price coming back to this support resistance line and reversing unless you go all the way back, which was earlier this year, right? So that's a strong support resistance line. A reversal zone is something like you see right here. Let me zoom in a little bit for you. Where price broke down, pushed back into the zone, right? So it broke through the zone first of all, broke down to a zone, pushed back up to the zone that it broke from earlier, right? Um, Pushed back down into a floor. It found the floor and came right back into the same zone. So that is what we like to call a reversal zone, or what a lot of traders like to call a teacup pattern, right? So you see this loop coming all the way up. You see price test this area, never really actually break the area, right? Or the ceiling or your support zone, and then it drops back into the direction it actually wants to go to. Okay, reversal zones can work downtrends, uptrends, any trend. Like I said, it's usually you can go on your higher time frames, the daily, the weekly, the monthly, the 4 hours, another good one where you have multiple reversal zones. As you see here, price was pushing back into this area, gave us a false break here, right? It's pushed all the way down, retraced all the way back to this reversal zone, like I said, and you see that it actually never actually broke and closed above this reversal zone, and it's pushing back down. Okay, so you're looking at a really good move back to this original zone, the floor, because of this reversal zone. So it likes to go into the zone, push back down, and come back and touch the new floor if it's a downtrend, the new ceiling if it's an uptrend. I will go find an uptrend reversal zone for you. Let me see. Let me back out. See if I can find one on UJ, so you don't have to keep looking. Really don't see anything right now, guys. All right, good one. Here we go. All right, so we have an uptrend reversal zone. So we had a break in the area, we retested this area, which is an upside down teacup pattern, broke, retested this area, right, reversal zone, right, and pushed through. Another evidence that this is a reversal zone in this area is market price actually came back to this area, refused to break this area, and push back up, right? So reversal zones pretty much are the same thing as support and resistance if it's not broken multiple times. So a reversal zone is where price likes to go into that zone multiple times. If I apologize if I confuse you. So let me kind of break that a little bit down. So price likes to go into the zone and go back in the same direction it was going. Okay, so this zone here broke the zone, touched, pushed up, right? Did it again. Price came back down in this area, right? Like I said, likes to come back in this area and then go back in the same direction. So let me look at it. Just like that, price came down in this area, right? Push back into a different direction. Even though this is smaller, it is not as big, did the same thing, right? Push through, came back in the area, right? Push back up. Let's see if it did. Right? Another reversal zone area right here, right? Price came into the zone, pushed away, right? We actually got a break of the zone here, but we also got price to do what? Push it into the zone, shot away from the zone in the same direction. See that? So same direction. Push it into the zone, back into the upper direction. Reverse. Right? Did it again in the same little area. Push back down into the zone, this reversal zone, and then finally gave you a real push away. That's all a reversal zone is that price likes to go into the zone in a price, and in this price in a price point, and it likes to push away, right? Even though this is a small one, did the exact same thing, push it into the zone and then pushed away. All right, I hope y'all learned something from this. Please leave a comment or a question, any kind of basics that you want me to go over. Like I said, I have gone over multiple basics. I will find another subject to go over, or go over the questions and go over that subject on trading foreign exchange market, as well as day trading. I feel like day trading will give you the same patterns. Might look a little different, but to me, it's almost the exact same thing. A little less volume, so I love to trade the Forex market. If you would like me to go over what the Forex market is again, I will be more than happy to do so. I will be posting another video on Thursday. Thank y'all so much. I look forward to talking to y'all. Y'all have a great night.